Ragusea's pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and seasoning. Basil, tomatoes, garlic, 1 small onion, a bit of parmesan. So I just need you to halve the tomatoes. Okay, I usually don't waste the extra virgin olive oil. Oil the pan. Very liberal amount of oil. And just take the tomatoes, rub the skin like that. That's it. Simple. In the great wise words of you suck at cooking. Hundos onto hundo your tomatoes. In. I'm gonna cut a whole small onion. I usually go 3 cloves. Roughly chop this shit up. Put the onion and the garlic aside. I'm gonna boil some water for the pasta. Jen and I normally go for like a cup each, but I'm gonna go 3 cups today. That's basically the bag. What? When my Italian friend taught me this. If it's boiling, then only you put the salt. Put the pasta inside. Stir it a little bit so it doesn't stick. The oil so it doesn't stick. If you look at the black parts and it's burning, that's a good thing. Take a pair of chopsticks and lift it up. Just like that. Keep this shit, man. Gotta reduce that shit. I want you to take a couple of this. Then you're gonna fuck it up. You just stir this shit up. Just gonna fold it up. Pasta here. All that basil goes in. Stir the basil in. A little bit of salt, parmesan. Can top up the cheese later. Very good?
Yeah.
More cheese. Don't forget to
Like
comment
and subscribe.